Day trading. Day trading. Day trading is the practice of buying and selling financial instruments within the same trading day. Day traders look to take advantage of small price movements in highly liquid stocks or other instruments. They generally close out their positions at the end of the day and do not hold positions overnight. Day trading can be a risky and stressful activity, and it is not suitable for everyone. It is important to have a solid understanding of financial markets and trading strategies, as well as the risks involved, before attempting the day trade. It is also essential to have the necessary tools, such as a reliable computer and internet connection, a brokerage account, and access to real-time market data.